In today's video, our topic is India seasons. So, India has four major regions: winter, summer, advancing monsoon, and retreating monsoon. So, first season in seasons of India, winter. So, winter season in India lasts from December to February, and January is the coldest month. The average temperature in peninsular India during winter is around 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plains it is between 10 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. Pressure over here, northern plains are the regions where high pressure is created due to low temperature, and because of which light offshore winds blow. Offshore means the winds which originate from land. As they are originating from land, they are dry. In northern plains, the light rainfall is experienced. Cyclonic storms are also occurring due to western disturbances. Heavy snowfall is experienced in Himalayas, and cold waves in northern India experienced, especially in Punjab, Haryana. They receive rainfall in this season, and which is very good for wheat cultivation. The Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu gets rain in winter brought by northeast monsoon winds. Actually, these are northeast trade winds which are prevailing winds. They pick up moisture from the Bay of Bengal, and because of which they bring rainfall to these regions. When they strike against the coast of Tamil Nadu, they shed their moisture over here and causes heavy rainfall. This rain is very important for rice cultivation in this region. Next season is summer. Summer lasts from March to May, and in some regions it lasts till June. Northern plains records highest temperature and the average temperature is 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, and because of which the region has low pressure. And Deccan Plateau comparatively cooler because of the moderating influence of sea. Right? Now pressure over here in the northern plains, low pressure is experienced because of high temperature over here, and northern plains experiences onshore winds which are moisturous, which bring rainfall, heavy rainfall over here. During the summer season, several local storms are occurring in the different parts of India. Hot, dry and dusty winds called Loo, they blow over the northern plains. Kal Baisakhi occurs in West Bengal and in Assam. These are thunderstorms accompanied by heavy rainfall. Mango showers occur in coastal Kerala and Karnataka, and these help in early ripening of mangoes. Third season, advancing monsoon. The season starts from June and continues till the end of September. By the end of the May, northern and northwestern parts of India become very hot, extremely hot. As a result, the low pressure zone over this region becomes very strong. High pressure area exists over the seas, and which are comparatively cooler. Southeast trade winds in the southern hemisphere are attracted towards this low pressure zone. They cross equator and they deflected to the right towards the Indian Peninsula and Myanmar. Now, as these winds are onshore winds and they blow over the Indian Ocean, they bring moisture with them and they bring rainfall. Since these winds enter India from southwest, so they are known as southwest monsoon winds. You can see in this image the low pressure region which is formed in the northern part of India because of high temperature over here, and you can see the branches of southwest trade winds as they are originating from Indian Ocean, and they are known as southwest monsoon winds. This image will show how they are diverting towards their right direction, and even Myanmar and Indian Peninsula receive the rainfall because of this. The Indian Peninsula divides the southwest monsoon into two branches, Arabian Sea Branch and Bay of Bengal Branch. Let's understand about Arabian Sea Branch. Arabian Sea Branch strikes western coast of India, and Kerala is the first state to receive the rainfall because of southwest monsoon winds Arabian Sea Branch. Heavy rainfall is caused on western slopes of Western Ghats as they are located on the windward side of these winds. Very scanty rainfall is received by eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Deccan Plateau as they fall on leeward. They are located on the leeward side of the winds, and they are turned into rain shadow region. Southern and central India receives rainfall because of Arabian Sea Branch. Rajasthan does not receive much rain from these winds as Aravalli mountains are located parallel to the wind's direction and they do not stop them. Finally, the Arabian Sea Branch merges with the Bay of Bengal branch. Bay of Bengal branch. It first strikes to the western coast of Myanmar, where it is stopped by Arakan mountains, and because of which these winds turn to Ganga and Brahmaputra delta. A part of these winds are trapped by the narrow valleys of Garo and Khasi hills, and because of which these regions receive heavy rainfall. Monsoon Ram, which is situated on the windward side of Meghalaya plateau, has set the world record of highest rainfall in the world. The monsoon is then deflected to the west by Himalayas, and because of which it moves towards the Ganga plains, causing rainfall along in the path. The states of West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, eastern Uttar Pradesh, Orissa and Andhra Pradesh receive rainfall from this branch. This region shows the arrows shows in what all different direction the Bay of Bengal branch moves and causes the rainfall in the different states. Arabian Sea Branch and Bay of Bengal branch together cover the entire country except Tamil Nadu. These winds are responsible for total annual rainfall received in our country, but it varies in amount of rainfall received place to place and also in its duration. How heavy rainfall followed by dry intervals means rain received is not continuous, but there is an interval of dry season and wet season. Retreating monsoon. The months of October and November are known as retreating monsoon season because monsoon winds withdraw from Indian subcontinent. It is the period of transition. Why? Because hot humid summer the season changes to cool and dry winter. By October, as the temperature starts to drop, the low pressure zone in northern India becomes weak and is unable to attract the winds which are moisturous, because of which southwest monsoon wind begin to retreat. They withdraw from Punjab in late September and from Ganga Delta in late October and entirely from Indian subcontinent in early November. This particular season is marked by clear skies, rising temperature, high humidity, hot and humid weather till October month. So this particular features are known as October heat. November onwards the temperature starts to drop down and temperature begins to decrease rapidly, and in December the winter sets in. During this period of transition, the low pressure area shifts from North India to Bay of Bengal. This shift is marked by formation of cyclones, which are known as tropical cyclones. They strike the coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa and Ganga and Brahmaputra Delta region, and they cause widespread damage to public and property. In the next video, we will be learning about distribution of rainfall and wildlife and vegetation.